We'll discuss today about exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction and reaction? No, only exothermic reaction it is. The reactions in which heat is evolved during the reaction. The reaction in which heat is evolved. What is exothermic? In previous video we learned exo means heat. Exo means outside. Thermic reaction means the heat is evolved outside the test tube, or what we say. It releases the heat, it evolves the heat. For example, when carbon or coke react with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide along with plus heat in the sense it releases heat. So in the above reaction, when coke burns with oxygen, heat is evolved more. So when plus heat is evolved in the product side, we can say that it is exothermic reaction. Instead of plus heat in the products, if you written plus heat here, it is endothermic because it is consuming heat. But exothermic reaction evolves heat. Means in product side, if you written plus heat, it is exothermic reaction. Some common examples of exothermic reactions are as follows: the burning of natural gas, methane, rotting of vegetable matter, and respiration. These all are exothermic. I will tell you why these all are exothermic reaction. The first one is burning of natural gas, that is methane. You know that how methane is obtained by the gobar gas. By the gobar gas we will obtain natural gas, that is methane. See this methane, when we burn the methane, we will get exothermic reaction. Because of that, it can be used to run the vehicles. Rotting of vegetable matter, in the sense rancidity of food items, we can say, or even if vegetable matter, if you bury it under the soil, after some years it may decompose into compost. I think you heard about the vermicomposting. Do you know, students, what is vermicompost? In vermicompost, earthworms, in natural organic wastes, when you added in a pit or a soil, it converts that soil into fertile soil, means vegetable matter, it converts into a compost. So where it decomposes, rotting of vegetable matter occurs there. And next, respiration. How can we say that respiration is an exothermic reaction? We'll discuss that here. All burning of natural gas, first one, methane. The product of gobar gas, that is methane, when reacts with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide, water, along with it produces a lot of heat energy. So methane when reacts with oxygen means methane is a product of gobar gas, we know that. This methane when we react with oxygen, means when we burn this methane gas, we'll get carbon dioxide, water, along with heat. This heat can be generated for running the vehicles. Second one, rotting of vegetable matter. The decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an exothermic reaction. Very important it is. Decomposition matter where complex substances can be converted into simple. So it is also a decomposition reaction only. Rotting of vegetable matter. The decomposition of vegetable matter is an exothermic reaction where heat is evolved more. And third one, respiration. How can we say that respiration is an exothermic reaction? Many times this asked in exam. What is respiration and what is breathing? Many of the students are a bit confusing with respiration and breathing. This respiration occurs inside the cells, inside the mitochondria, where breathing occurs in between environment and the lungs. We get the energy for our living from the food that we eat. Whatever we are eating, that from the food we are getting energy. The food which may be the rice, potatoes, or whatever, the bread which contains carbohydrates, proteins, and minerals, whatever, fats. Okay. During the digestion, they are broken down into simple substances such as glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids and glycerol also obtained. This glucose breaks down. It needs a medium to break down. means the air when we what we breathe in during respiration, it oxidizes the glucose. See the glucose whatever we eaten, that will be produced as a glucose. The food what we ate, it converts finally into glucose. Then this glucose has to break down. When we breathe, the air in the lungs oxidizes, it reaches to, with the help of hemoglobin, it reaches to all parts of the cell, and this oxygen will breaks down the glucose. It breaks down the glucose into carbon dioxide and water and energy. So it breaks down means C6H12O6, whatever there it is in a cell mitochondria, it breaks down this complex food into simple carbon dioxide, water, and it releases the heat. This reaction is exothermic. Why? Because it produces the heat more, and even this carbon dioxide again with the blood will it will come back to the lungs for exhalation. Inhalation, oxygen reaches to the lungs, and exhalation, carbon dioxide reaches to the lungs. This is an example of that's why respiration we can say as a exothermic reaction. Then I am going to ask you the question, students, whether photosynthesis is exothermic or endothermic reaction. Photosynthesis, just think once fastly. Photosynthesis, you know that with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll, the plant prepares the food. Whether the photosynthesis reaction is exothermic or endothermic, think fast. Next concept. Next, we'll see the exothermic and endothermic reaction related video. Let us watch the video of exothermic reaction. See here, students, this is a calcium oxide or quicklime. Reaction of quicklime with water is a highly exothermic reaction. See, heat is evolving from that. And even this is a coal. When coal is burnt, it produces a lot of heat. We know that in thermal power stations is using, and even burning of natural gas. It is also burning of gas is also an exothermic reaction where heat is evolving. Seeing that evaporation which are revealing that. The reactions in which heat is evolved and the temperature increases are called exothermic reactions. And respiration, how it is exothermic reaction? Because glucose reacts with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide, water, and energy releases from that. See here, when we breathe oxygen, it reaches to the lungs, and where glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide and simple parts. And even decomposition of vegetable matter also an exothermic reaction. I told you about the vermicomposting. See, these decomposes to give a manure or a compost. Okay, next concept.